Are you struggling to find the right niche for your affiliate marketing business? Do you feel like you're missing out on potential profits because you haven't found the perfect niche yet? If so, don't worry. In this article, we will uncover 7 untapped affiliate marketing niches that have the potential to skyrocket your profits. Get ready to discover the secrets of niche selection success. Sustainable living. The growing concern for our planet has led to an increased interest in sustainable living. People are actively seeking eco-friendly products and solutions that align with their values. By promoting products related to sustainable living such as reusable household items, organic skincare products, or renewable energy sources, you can tap into a passionate and dedicated audience. Self-care and wellness. In today's fast-paced world, people are prioritizing self-care and wellness more than ever before. From meditation apps to fitness equipment and natural supplements, there is a wide range of products in this niche that can help individuals enhance their well-being. By targeting this market segment with relevant offers, you can connect with those who are actively seeking ways to improve their physical and mental health. Home office essentials. With remote work becoming increasingly popular, home office essentials have become a hot commodity. Many people are looking for ergonomic furniture, productivity tools, noise-canceling headphones, or even virtual meeting software solutions. As an affiliate marketer in this niche, you can provide valuable recommendations that help individuals create a productive workspace at home. DIY crafts. The do-it-yourself (DIY) trend has gained significant traction over recent years as people seek creative outlets while saving money on personalized gifts and decorations. Crafting supplies such as knitting kits or woodworking tools offer excellent opportunities for affiliates looking to reach an engaged audience interested in creating unique handmade items. Pet care and accessories. Pets are an integral part of many people's lives, and they spare no expense when it comes to their furry friends' well-being. From gourmet pet food to high-quality grooming products, the pet care niche offers a wide range of affiliate opportunities. By targeting pet owners with relevant products, you can tap into a passionate market that is willing to invest in their pet's happiness. Sustainable fashion. As sustainability becomes increasingly important, more consumers are seeking eco-friendly alternatives in the fashion industry. From organic clothing brands to sustainable accessories made from recycled materials, there is a growing demand for ethical and environmentally friendly fashion choices. By promoting these products as an affiliate marketer, you can cater to conscious consumers who prioritize both style and sustainability. Home fitness equipment. With gym closures and limited access during uncertain times, home fitness equipment has become highly sought after by individuals looking to maintain an active lifestyle without leaving their homes. Promoting exercise machines like treadmills or resistance bands can be incredibly lucrative as people continue investing in their health from the comfort of their own homes. By tapping into these untapped affiliate marketing niches, you will position yourself ahead of the competition and increase your chances of success in this ever-growing industry. In summary, sustainable living, self-care and wellness, home office essentials, DIY crafts, pet care and accessories, sustainable fashion, home fitness equipment. Remember that finding success as an affiliate marketer requires thorough research on your target audience's needs and preferences within each niche mentioned above. In conclusion, selecting the right niche is crucial for your affiliate marketing success story. These 7 untapped niches offer excellent potential for skyrocketing your profits while connecting with passionate audiences looking for specific solutions or products related to sustainable living, self-care, wellness, home office essentials, DIY crafts, pet care, accessories, sustainable fashion, and home fitness equipment. By understanding your target audience's desires and providing them with valuable recommendations, you can position yourself as an authority in these niches and watch your profits soar.